I'm super curious, but pretty skeptical about peptides. I think if this is something you are interested in, it's really important that you know what you're getting involved with and you're not just taking medical advice from strangers on the internet. So I'm doing a bunch of research and breaking these studies down so you don't have to. Your body has a biological switch for healing, and there's a peptide that flips it on and then gets out of the way. And that repair can keep going for months without it. Your stomach makes a peptide called BPC-157. It sits in your gastric juices and it protects your gut lining right now. It helps build new blood vessels and it calms inflammation before it spreads. And that's not a supplement company's invention, right? That's something that you were born with. But here's where it gets wild. Researchers mapped exactly how this peptide works at a molecular level. It activates something called VEGFR2. That's the receptor your body uses to grow new blood vessels. And it turns on the Akt-eNOS pathway. And that's how your cells make nitric oxide, which is a gas that opens blood vessels and rushes oxygen to damaged tissue. Then it flips on the ERK12 signaling, the switch that tells your endothelial cells, the ones lining your blood vessels, to start multiplying and migrating to the wound. Here's why that matters. When you get hurt, your immune system sends inflammatory cells first. These are M1 macrophages. They're the demolition crew. BPC-157 shifts those cells to M2 macrophages, which is the rebuild crew. It also drops three major alarm signals: TNF-α, IL-6, and interferon-gamma. Less destruction, more repair. Think of it like this. Most signals do one job. BPC-157 hits multiple pathways at once. Blood vessel growth, inflammation control, tissue rebuilding, all from one peptide. It also upregulates heme oxygenase 1, which is an enzyme that protects cells from oxidative stress, and it boosts heat shock proteins, which are cells that protect your cells when things go wrong. The strangest part, its half-life is less than 30 minutes. It clears from your blood fast, but in one tendon study, healing improvements lasted through 72 days. The researchers say it acts like a biological switch. It activates gene expression programs that keep running on their own even after the peptide is gone. Now, honest part here, the human data on this is extremely limited. 3 small pilot studies exist, but the animal results look really strong in tendon, muscle, bone, nerve. We just can't confirm that those translate to humans yet. Rigorous clinical trials haven't been done. However, it's already inside of you. Your stomach makes it every day, and your body already knows what to do with it. What the researchers don't fully understand is why one dose can start a healing process that outlasts the peptide for months. Isn't that worth studying?